launching our first fully electric car here in India, which is the XC40 Recharge. And this would be something which we are showing everyone now. But we will start taking bookings for this car from somewhere in June of 21. And deliveries will start from October of 21 in phased manner. This comes with a very high range. This is from a global test procedure perspective, this is more than 400 kilometers range, and it can charge very fast, it can accelerate very fast. So it is a really fantastic product to bring here in India. So I think the first thing first, I think this year for India, we are about to start deliveries on S60. That will start very soon, which is the first product. Then we have, obviously the biggest is XC40 Recharge, which comes later in the year. And then we have an all-new S90 in petrol and also an all-new XC60 in petrol. So these are the 4 cars that we sort of plan to bring this year. We are going to bring 1 electric car every year, this one being the first. XC40 Recharge comes in 21, and thereafter we'll follow it up with 1 car every year from here on. So globally, our ambition is that we should become a full electric car company by 2030, and we are completely aligned to that. And we believe in India we are a little more ambitious. We want to do it even faster, but let's see. We believe that adoption of electric cars, which will be much faster in the luxury space, and there are many reasons behind that. One of them being the sort of customer profile. They have a privilege of owning more than 1 car. Typically, our sort of data says that own like 3 cars, and hence I think that the range anxiety in that case is not something which will really be a showstopper. Then I think the range itself is quite good. So for your daily commute, and the buyers of this car can and have the privilege to have 1 charger at their home. They have a dedicated parking space where the charger can be installed, and 1 maybe in their office, and I think even 1 would be enough, but they can actually do it both ways. And having done that, I think then they are not dependent on any public charging infrastructure, and I think that takes away a lot of anxieties which otherwise people have. These customers are also very environmentally conscious. That's what we have seen, and they want to sort of participate in being sharing that responsibility. So if you put all these things together, we believe luxury cars, when it comes to electrification, will take a lead. That's what I'm saying. I think we checked it with, I think when we brought the T8, XC90 T8 Excellence, we saw this phenomena, and customers have put in their charger at home, some have put at both places, and that sort of, they feel very comfortable. We know so many customers who come and tell us that we are sort of driving for months, we don't even need to fill any fuel in the car. We are run, although it's a plug-in hybrid, but we run fully on electric. That gives us a lot of confidence. And we believe similar thing if offered on an XC40 Recharge will, I think, take care of these things for sure.